for now you can see my functions or my menu. They are great. That means that I didn't use them yet, but never mind, they do not work for now when I click, as you could see. But let's try to create the toolbar, or let's create the toolbar. We know how to create a toolbar, we don't have to try. So let's see. We add definition or function toolbar self. Great, thanks PyCharm for helping me writing. So let's add a toolbar. I can say toolbar 1, whatever I want. If I want to use more toolbars, so I can give them a name, but I don't want to create new words or something like that. So I just add self window dot add toolbar, and I'm done. And I can give it a name like first toolbar. Let's leave it like first. Yeah. And so if I run the program right now, you will see a bar probably, but nothing is adding yet. So let me see. Let's see. Yeah, nothing here. So I don't have anything because we didn't initiate it before. So let's try to initiate it. So we have toolbar 1 and we have create toolbar. So in our function we can just add self dot create toolbar. Yeah, and should see something. Yeah, and it's here. Yeah, and we can move it to be vertical, or we can use it, put it somewhere here. Yeah, somewhere here, and maybe here also. Yeah, so let's add something in the toolbar to be able to see the effect. So we have the toolbar and we want to add a function in the toolbar, or just a text probably. So we can add something like quick open, something like that. Open file, we queue widget, and queue action. Yeah, you see a different way to add it in the toolbar. So we add now what we want to see in the UI. So for example, on Mac I can use these icons if you want, like open. Yes, I can use open, and remember we have to put it in the window also, self window, and we can do something with it when the user click, but let's leave it right now just like that. So I will show you. I will try to see this function and you will see. Yeah, still the same. So we have to do something before, because you can see here as a different to here, I add the file menu into my menu bar. So the same way I have to put my open file inside my toolbar. So yeah, we have to attach or associate those things. So we can just comment it and add associate to toolbar as we can use like associate to menu bar. So what we have to do, toolbar one dot add action, and we, I hope I need to see my action, and we add this. Right now we have this function or this action inside our toolbar, so now we should be able to see it. So let's see. Yeah, right now you have open, and I can move it or here, click it, put it here, or I can move it to the right side. I said right side. Yeah, here. Let's see if I can put it here also. Yeah, it is. Yeah, but I didn't resize it well, so you cannot see it. Yeah. So one more thing I will show you. If you want to add the toolbar sticky, so user cannot or you cannot move it to the top or wherever you want, you can just add this line, toolbar one, set movable, and of course, as you can imagine, false. So here, yeah, you can see I don't have those dots here, so I cannot move the toolbar anymore. So okay, we can add another function because I want to show you how to separate the toolbar. So open, after open we could use something like capture from the camera. Yeah, so we use the same thing, Qt widget, Qt action, and here I could add maybe an icon of camera. Yeah, or this is like to start yeah, let's put start webcam. Yeah, and we can write it again, start webcam, and also don't forget to put it in the window, and don't forget to associate it to the toolbar one. Add action, start webcam. So you can see here, yeah, I have two functions in my toolbar. Yeah, so one more thing I would like you to see is add separator. So we can use something like that here to separate the functions in the toolbar. So you can see a bar, yeah, that separate the toolbar. So for now that's all. So let's move on